So choose to sit or lie down, but make sure you support your back, support your neck. Sit in a really comfortable position. Make yourself comfortable sitting or lying down. Make sure your body is supported. You may just give a small jerk to your body to allow it to start relaxing. Make yourself comfortable. And then take a deep breath in, hold, and release. Take another deep breath in, hold, and release. And then gently allow your eyes to close, your body to relax. And as your body is relaxing, your body start feeling lighter. And as your body start feeling lighter, feel your eyelids becoming heavier and heavier. So allow your body to relax. Allow your eyes to close. And allow your mind to gently calm down. You can just notice the thoughts, random thoughts which are coming. Observe your thoughts. And then allow them to just leave. Another random thought coming. Observe it and then just let it go. And you can imagine these thoughts like leaves falling from a tree. Dry leaves falling from a tree. They fall. Sometimes they fall right there. And at other time it just flows away with the wind. Feel those thoughts like tree full of these dry leaves which are just falling down. And these leaves don't choose where they land. They are controlled by the wind. Sometimes these leaves make a huge pile, and then with the wind they just spread all over. So just allow your thoughts to come and go. And as your thoughts are leaving, your body is relaxing more and more. And now you can imagine or visualize yourself at the side of a river. It's a very broad river with lots of stones and rocks on the banks of the river, as well as few in the middle of the river. And far on the horizon you can see the huge mountains, snow-capped mountains. And as you look at these mountains, which are covered with snow, you somehow know that this snow on the mountains is the source of water in this river. So carefully you walk on the banks of this river and walk towards the water. And as you keep moving, some places you have to balance yourself. Some places you take support of another big rock or stone as you walk towards the water in the river. And as you go near and near, the sound of the water crashing on the rocks and the sounds of flowing water become louder and louder. So taking care of each and every step that you take, you walk towards the river. And as you are walking, you can also notice these rocks, these stones. Few of them are really beautiful. They have very beautiful colors. And few rocks are like normal grey rocks. And as you are walking, you will also notice that at few places between the cracks of this rock, or between the two stones, some plants are coming out, maybe with just fresh green leaves, or maybe with some wildflower. And as you notice that these plants which are coming out through the stones, through the rocks, you really look at them and feel how much effort this plant must have taken to be visible to you. Finding its space between the stones, between the rocks, and then growing and blooming. You just keep noticing all the wonderful things this nature has created. And then you reach the river, and you gently put your toes in the water. And you can feel the icy cold water. The water is really cool. The sounds are really loud. And still there's sunshine. And other side of the river you can notice the green grassland. So you go ahead, find a rock on which you can sit with your feet dipped in the water. And as you sit with your feet dipped in the water, your body starts feeling really cool. And it feels so very nice after walking on the stones to reach the water in the sunshine. All the effort that you took to walk on those stones to reach the river, it feels really justified when you dip your feet in the water. And suddenly you can feel the wind on your body, on your face, through your hair. And that just relaxes you. And you can find yourself deeply immersed in the nature with the sounds of water, sounds of wind, the gentle sunshine on your body, looking at the beautiful colors of the nature all around you. Beautiful color rocks, stones, beautiful color of grass on the other side of the river. And even when you look at the flowing river, you can notice the different shades of color in this river. At some parts it's glowing, golden glowing because of the sunshine. At some part it's little greenish, darker color. And at some part it looks totally transparent. And as you are sitting in this rock looking at the nature all around you, you look at the huge mountains with the snow. There are stones and rocks through which the grass or plants are growing. On the other side, there are huge trees, bushes, grassland. And you just notice the different shades of colors this nature has spread all around you. And as you are looking at it, looking at the rocks in the middle of the river, huge trees on the other side, and the plants growing through the cracks of the stones, of the rocks, you realize and really wonder how many winters, how many summers, how much rain all of it has endured. Sometimes it's really hot, at other times very, very cold, but everything has stood there. You can notice the resilience of these trees, these plants which are growing, and all this become inspiration for you. All this becomes inspiration for you. And as you look at all this, the nature inspires you to look beyond the difficulties or challenges that you are facing in your life. At one moment you will remember the moments when you had given up or almost decided to give up. And here are these trees, these rocks standing right there. And don't know for how many years, ages they have spent there, still blooming, looking green and fresh. Hearing the sound of river, really loud sound, day in and day out. Everything around you inspires you. Inspires you to be like a rock at difficult times, to be like that plant which grows through the cracks of rock or through the stones when things are not so good for us. With all the noises all around us, which in a way tells us not to listen to our own voice. So everything in the nature inspires you to overcome the challenges and what we think as difficult times. So just be there, take in all the senses, all the sights, sounds, all the smells, all the sensation, and all of it inspires you. And with each and every breath, whatever lesson you are getting from the nature around you, you accept that. Allow your mind to open up to receive the messages from the nature. So just be there with the nature for a few more moments. Absorb all the strength, the courage, the resilience. Just be there. Be there. And with every breath, your awareness about the lessons this nature is giving you lessons that you can learn from the nature become more and more stronger from you. And you can express your gratitude to the nature for everything that you have got from the nature. So just spend few more moments in the nature and then with all the learnings you can now bring your focus back to your body. Bring your focus back to your breath. Gently move your body and with all the gratitude, whenever you are ready, you can now open your eyes. Whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes.